Starting with the underbody and the undercarriage, we have a very capable suspension system augmented with a new intelligent all-wheel drive system. The all-wheel drive system is engineered in-house by Ford and basically uses sophisticated sensing technology to leverage 25 inputs between modules and sensors and makes decisions every 16 milliseconds. And that decision is 16 milliseconds is 20 times faster than you blink your eye. It then knows where to put the torque from front to rear as much as 100% in one axle or the other, and it is then paired with some other technology such as curve control and torque vectoring to allow the torque split and the left to right bias to be where you want it to make the vehicle very fun and engaging to drive. Torque vectoring control is a technology which simply moves the torque from left to right, or simply allows more torque to be tractive by applying the brakes on the inboard side as you're going into a turn. Curve control, if you enter a turn slightly too fast, or you want to moderate your speed while you're in the turn, it will use these sensors to determine which brake in which corner to apply brake force to at what rate to keep the vehicle the most stable and comfortable as you're going through the turn. The new Escape has all of the things that the carryover Escape customer likes, plus new features and stowage capability. In fact, the cargo volume is actually slightly bigger than the outgoing Escape, despite the sleek modern design. In this cargo area, you'll see here that we have a load floor that, when moved upward, you see plenty of stowage capability down below the load floor for compartmentalized storage for whatever you may take with you. The load floor is simply lowered into place, and you see some other additional features in grocery bag hooks and stowage bins in the back of the vehicle. Moving around to the front of the vehicle, you'll see here we have plenty of stowage in the door map pockets, a dedicated location for a single bottle, but you can actually fit several more. Moving into the interior, you'll see here as you first enter the vehicle, a little stowage bin, which is an umbrella holder, so that when you have a wet umbrella as you're coming into the vehicle or a place to stow it, we've got a dedicated location for it. The center console is full of very usable features in the sense of we have a power point both forward in the center console, and we have one in the center console bin so you can charge your devices. The media gateway module is in the center console, and it has two USB ports, an SD card reader, and again another power point for charging. First we have on the 2013 Escape is our hands-free liftgate. The hands-free liftgate is a new technology that allows you to load the vehicle while your hands are full. For instance, if you have your hands full of groceries or a box, you just need the key fob in your pocket or in your purse. You simply approach the vehicle, and with slight kicking motion, the liftgate automatically opens. Conversely, if you take cargo out of the vehicle, another simple kicking motion, and the liftgate closes. The 2013 Escape is a very fuel-efficient vehicle with up to 5 miles per gallon better than the outgoing model, which will be class-leading. We estimate 33 miles per gallon. Some of the features that do that, that allow that, is a very fuel-efficient design, but also technologies behind the front grille called an active grille shutter. It's actually louvered vanes that close in front of the radiator to allow the vehicle to have as much as 5% improvement in aerodynamic drag. We also have underbody shields under the front of the engine, on the sides of the vehicle, and under the rear differential to also improve aero efficiency. There's several other devices around the vehicle that also improve aerodynamics, such as a small divot behind the mirror, and these aero features you see integrated into the tail lamps, as well as an aero kicker here on the backlight. And also the integrated spoiler is tuned for aero efficiency. All told, the 2013 C sub D coefficient of drag is 12% lower than the outgoing model and amongst the best in class.